So in times of corona, we have to see our patients. So we have certain propositions for prevention of doctor as well as patient. This is a simple protective gear which is made from the items that are available at our home or at our OT settings. So in spite of this cloth, we can use the OT green cloth and make it like this for our patients, so as to examine them when they come to our OPD. So this is, here we can make a slit for the ear, little less wider than that. This is the space created for ear. From here you can insert your endoscope. So nowadays prefer examining via endoscope or via otoscope, that is electronic, that means that has a wire in it and can be connected to your laptop or mobile, so that you have a safe distance to your patient. And it also covers the mouth, nose and everything of your patient. And if you want to examine the nose, you can make a hole from here also below the nostrils, so as to insert your endoscope. And you have to do it while wearing proper PPE for yourself. This is the setting which I am telling is for the patient. So we have this idea along with one more idea that I will show in the subsequent video, where we use a transparent plastic sheet and make this type of setting for the patient. So this is a very simple thing. We have just stapled this gauze piece ribbon, and I will show how this has been made, and here it is tied. So a very simple but yet protective thing for you to prevent yourself from getting the infection while you treat your patient. Thank you. Made from a simple rectangular sheet of cloth, where we have made this for eye opening, a smaller slit like this, for ears this, and for nose also we can make a nostril opening here. And these two ribbons are just stapled so as to make it easy to make, and this gets prepared very easily. We can use the clothes, the OT sheets that are available in our OT to make some for our patients. This is my niece, Miss Ananya Gupta. So she will show you how to wear this protective gear, and as a patient she is wearing. So we will make this for our patient. Maybe we can keep this for their safety and for our safety. You can also charge it if you want. So show me how you will wear this protective gear, and then I'll tell you how we have made one. So this is a transparent plastic sheet which has a mask gap and the mask attached to it. For examination of ear, you just see front. For examination of ear, we have a gap here. So here, from here you can insert the endoscope, auto endoscope. For nose also we can make one opening for examination, and for ear bilaterally we have made this gap. So in some way, in somewhat, this will prevent the aerosol exposure to you. And this is a very simple thing, a simple plastic sheet or polythene which can be made use of for the patient. And for you as a doctor, you have to wear the N95 mask, goggles or headgear for your own protective gears. Thank you.